Hey folks, this is Matt with Sullivan's Mowing. Today I wanted to make this video because I'm expecting a special delivery today from a company called Yeoman Power. They specialize in radio controlled lawnmowers and other type of products, lawn care products, weed trimmers, gas blowers, just you name it. They've got quite a bit of selection to choose from. But anyways, they contacted me, wanted me to do a review, an extensive review on their lawnmower. So today, the lawnmower is out for delivery, and I should be receiving it here pretty soon. So look forward to the next video. Thanks. Alright, today's the day when the Yeoman Power eM400C Remote Control Lawnmower has arrived. Penske brought it. He seems like he's a pretty nice guy. Pretty cool. Well, this is how I'm going to try to scoop it up. I tie the band strap onto it right here, and I'm going to pull on it while I tilt the bucket up to get this thing up in the air. So I'm going to set the camera down. Okay, I got it loaded. See, I got it sitting in that bucket, but I also got this 2x6 here that I almost ran right through my barn door. Hey guys, it's Matt with Sullivan's Mowing. I'm ready to unload this. It's eM400C by Yeoman Power lawnmowers, and this thing's going to be pretty cool. So I'll set this thing up, that way you can watch me unload it and do the unboxing on it. So here we go. put the remote down over in the shade, that way it stays cool. I guess I'm just going to try pulling this off. Wow. Man, this thing is awesome. This thing is cool. I'm gonna grab this. That way you can see it better. Alright, right here's the back of it. And if you notice down here at the bottom, these are these chains. These chains are designed to keep debris like say sticks or possibly some rocks or anything like that from flying out from underneath of it. So that's a pretty good safety feature there. It does have a emergency on and off switch right there on the top left, and then on the bottom is your main power switch, and then over here on the top would be your charge port. It's protected by a rubber protective cover, and it feels like it's a really good quality rubber. It doesn't feel like it's plastic or anything like that, so it should last. And then right here is your display. Let's turn this on. Okay, well, let's turn this back off, and I'll make sure that this emergency off. There we go. Okay, so it looks like it's fully charged. That is the working light. It tells you that the machine is operating. And then your power light, it's lit up green. And then right here is the meter. This shows your voltage, what the percent level is of the battery. So this one's saying that the batteries are at 90% capacity. And then right here is the manufacturer. Okay guys, as if you can tell, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's raining outside, so I had to hurry up and get this eM400C back inside the barn here before it got wet. I didn't want it to get wet before I even got to use it or anything. And they also included these little ramps here for easy removal of this right off of that crate. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up for now, and the next video is I'm gonna show its operation. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and try to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you.